Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase research knowledge in Crimson Desert. At some point in the game, you'll be introduced to the Research Institute to unlock certain items, rewards for dispatch, or to increase your stats at the later stages. These institutes are located around specific locations across in Pywell. However, some nodes will require higher knowledge for you to conduct research for it. For example, in the Pororin Research Institute, you'll see a notice in the fourth node that there's not enough knowledge required for research. To be able to do research for this node, what you'll want to do is to open your journal, click on Faction Quests, then click the faction where the institute is located. For our current location, this is the Pororin Forest Guardians. Under this faction, you'll see the Research Institute quest line. All you need to do is to complete these series of quests to increase your knowledge. This applies to any location that has a research institute, just like Scholastone, as you can see here. Once you've completed all quests, you can see that the red notice is gone from the node and you can now proceed with the research. And that's how to increase research knowledge in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.